प्रेजेंट किया था अर्थे चौधरी को।
जी, तो क्या कोर्ट ने उन्हें बेल दी है?
यस, इन द फर्स्ट केस FIR नंबर 109 पार्लियामेंट स्ट्रीट वाली में उनको जमानत हो गई आज।
जी
वहाँ टोटल 9 लोगों को जमानत हुई है 17 में से।
जी
4 लोगों को कल PC में भेजा गया था,
जी
उनकी 2 दिन की PC थी तो वो कल अपीयर होंगे, उनकी आज बेल नहीं सुनी गई।
जी
जिन लोगों को JC में भेजा गया था उनकी बेल पे कल बहस हुई थी और आज फिर थोड़ी सी बहस हुई एंड फाइनली द ऑर्डर वाज पास्ड बाय द लर्नेड जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट
जी
फर्स्ट क्लास एंड द बेल वाज ग्रांटेड. In the meantime, the second FIR which was at कर्तव्य पथ 102,
जी
वहाँ पे they have taken him into custody. The arrest was shown and the permission was granted by the court because they want him for further interrogation in that case. There also they have arrested almost 8 and 7, 15 people who are already accused in this first FIR, Parliament FIR. In those 15, 2 have been sent to PC and rest have been sent to JC for 7 days. Despite the fact that JC was not required in that case anyway, but the court has granted the order and sent them to the JC for 7 days. We are moving bail tomorrow in those cases also. And I am hopeful that the court will take into consideration and the bail will be given. So these are the 2 facts of these 2 cases. Besides that, the first case, the PC will end tomorrow of those 4 accused and the Honorable Court has asked them to argue on the bail and there will be heard tomorrow.
Yeah, the second FIR.
And second FIR, all the bail applications will be heard tomorrow because the PC has been given only for 1 day to those 2 accused. So they will come again tomorrow and the bail will be heard by the court.
Earlier 6 accused was also sent in PC remand, sir. In this case.
No, not 6.
5.
Out of 6, only 2 were sent. Initially, not today. Today only 2 has been sent and rest has been sent to JC. So these 8 accused has been sent to JC now and earlier out of 7 only 2 has been sent to PC and 5 has been sent to JC. So this is the case. And tomorrow all the cases are listed for argument on bail.
Those who will move a separate bail
So
application.
most of them are moving already. Already 3-4 have already moved today and rest will move tomorrow. Because the arrest has been shown in the evening only.
Court
Earlier there was no arrest.
As there is a request from the police officials to send them to JC, court has sent them to the JC and now after moving bail application, जिसने भी bail application लगाएंगे कोर्ट उस पर सुनेगी, अपना फैसला करेगी. बस ये कोर्ट में आज हुआ, थोड़ा लेट हो गया, लेकिन this is all happened in the court.
Because the arrest has been shown in the evening only, 7 o'clock. So the bail can only be moved tomorrow now. And they have been sent to the JC in the second case. First case, they has already been granted bail.
20,000 सिक्योरिटी पे एक्यूज पर्सन को बेल ग्रांट कर दी है कोर्ट ने और उस केस में जो 9 एक्यूजों को आज कोर्ट ने बेल ग्रांट कर दी है और उनका बेल बॉन्ड नहीं भरा जा सका, लेकिन कल उसको भरा जाएगा और एक्यूज अपने उस केस में बेल मिलेगी.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.